Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to talk about how to generate images using the Canva AI generation software. First of all, we're going to go on the Canva homepage on canva.com, and once we're logged in we're going to be on the homepage where we can start making it. First of all, we're going to need to open up a design. So how we're going to do that is go right over here and choose the kind of format we'd like to use. I'm gonna do 16:9 because I like, for example, a YouTube background. So we're gonna go in here, and then on the left corner we have the magic media button. We press that and we get access to the image generation software. So we can, for example, type a turtle wearing Crocs, and we can choose the type of style we want to use. So we can choose moody, high flash, long exposure. We can choose arts, different kind of arts. I'm just gonna choose playful. And then over here we can choose our portrait that we want to have the image generated in. So for example, I'm gonna choose a landscape. Like I said, I want to create a YouTube background. And then we're just gonna press generate images. So once it's done, it's going to give us 4 examples of how it's going to look like. And we can choose whichever one we like, and then we can manipulate it however we like using the editor. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.